This is the Falls Trail.
Falls Trail, okay.
And then we're going to go on the Cove Ridge Trail.
Okay.
Beltzville State Park is located in the southern foothills of the Poconos, just off of US 209, close to the northeast extension of the PA Turnpike. Over 3,000 acres along a 10-mile lake, a rest stop for migrating foulbirds. Gorgeous place with 17 miles of hiking trails to explore creek valleys, the lake, and beautiful wood paths. We took the Falls Trail to the Cove Ridge Trail along the Wild Creek Cove on the far northeast side of the lake. After several challenging hikes, we were happy to hike and explore an easier one. While marked, not too rocky, we were able to see views around us compared to keeping our head down on the rocks along the pathway. The first portion was the popular and shorter Falls Trail hike, which featured the wild creek that slowly filled into Beltzville Lake. Pretty views of small falls and walkway bridges to cross and see elevated views of the creek below.
I guess we'll be going over that bridge there. Let's get a photo.
The falls was pretty and easy to get to. It was right at the beginning of the trail. Plenty of spots to enjoy the views and get some photos. I'd like to come back here again and spend a little bit more time to get some landscape photography shots.
Gone down a side path here, really close to the falls. See how close we can get.
That was worth the price of admission.
We're headed up along these yellow glazed trail. We're going to follow the Cove Ridge Trail. I guess it's down that way.
We start on our next portion of our hike, the Cove Ridge Trail. This hike has been different from the others we've taken this fall. Large white, red pine and maple trees provide great canopy for rhododendron shrubs and trees. The underbrush was a lot less, providing great views of these huge trees and the decay and the new growth of moss below. I think I found my theme for today's walk, the decay of old friends and the growth of new ones. All things decay with time. The forest sees the growth, the downfall of her aged trees. That timber tall with the 80 lustres stood, the proud dictator of the state like wood. I mean the sovereign of all plants, the oak droops, dies, and falls without the cleaver stroke. Robert Herrick.
This is a pretty one.
Yeah, I guess it goes down that way?
Yeah, I think so.
Just very different terrain than we're used to. Moss and ferns are really a big thing up here, huh?
Yeah, it certainly looks that way, doesn't it?
Really big pine trees. More white places.
There's more to look at here.
I think so. It's not as technical. You can walk and look around and not worry about where you put your feet.
We were really enjoying the hike. Very quiet, didn't really run into anyone along the trail, and there was plenty to see and explore. It was starting to get later in the afternoon, so we needed to start to pick up the pace.
The trail is well maintained. You know,
Yeah, the logs are cut in half for us. Watch out for the roots here. I think I'll take roots over boulders any day.
Well, that thing's not now, huh? That's where the tree went.
Wow,
Oh, is that it there? I guess that must have been.
that must have been it. Yep. And old trees. Looks like the woodpeckers have eaten everything they wanted out of it.
We could always climb up that thing.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Those are great. If they have buds on them now, they'll bloom in the spring.
With the light filtered from the large pine trees, the trail is filled with rhododendrons, shrubs, and trees. We will be sure to look up when they will be blooming and make this an annual springtime hike.
If all of them bloom at the same time, this place would be really
I wonder
pretty.
if you could look that up. I bet you. All the way down, all along the entire cliff.
theme of the day. I can't get over how big these trees are. We don't have trees like this at home.
Someone's got a swing out there. You see it?
Where?
You see it right there?
Oh, look at that with the steps.
Yeah.
Somebody need some pine cones? Split the trunk in half. See where that was ripped right out of the ground.
We're still on the water, and I guess we need to kind of roll backward. It rolls back, right?
It was starting to get late in the afternoon and the clouds started to darken the forest trail. The loop back through the pines was easy walking and well marked, but it was quiet and a dark mile back.
Jungle of rhododendron. That's crazy.
We had a great time at Beltzville State Park. We got in around 3.6 miles for the day with some fun photos and great scenery. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please support my channel and give a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This goes a long way to promote my videos to others. Have a great day. Thank you.